So we cleaned it out. Then we started putting stone in at the bottom, dipped them in the concrete, put them in there, trying to build up a little, because if you just put solid concrete in here, it's just going to squash down. So we're mixing stone in with it. I'm taking my time working up through. Decided not to put this board back on. I decided to bevel it off here, and then we'll paint that. That way we can get at this hinge if we ever need to, although I'd hate to have to try to figure out where those screws are. But we'll keep working up through stone and concrete. Over here, on the other side, took the hammer and chisel and tried to clean everything. Chisel, I'd love to move it back, but you can see how long it is, so moving it back's not going to happen. It will be good if we can just hold it where it is and make the step look nice. So we're going to put some on here. We'll build this out, build this in, try to bring this up level and try to make it look really good. It's not going to be totally square, but it'll look really good. So that's where we're at. Well, we're using S-type mortar, which should hold really good. And we may do a little concrete work here, not sure yet.